I am happy to introduce the revolutionary app for traders and investors in the markets based on highly accurate, artificially intelligent algorithms from the legend, Alex Vieira, with an uncanny track record since 1989. We are the first to bring real-time AI portfolio analysis, AI bot trading, and AI risk analysis for the iPhone, iPad, Apple Watch, and Apple TV. Watch the magic synchronized across your devices. Access highly accurate AI data analysis and AI bot trade signals in a custom dashboard. Trade stocks, ETFs, Forex, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. We help you make better decisions by ensuring your most important, accurate, and reliable portfolio analysis is always a glance away. Choose your own portfolio and widgets according to your budget, or go with one of the available artificially intelligent plans. I invite you to enroll in the free course to learn how simple it is, and to learn what no one else can do. You are one step away from dramatically improve your life according to hundreds of legitimate users' reviews. No one can beat you using artificial intelligence in the markets.
Alex here with probably the best, one of the best companies for you to invest in 2020. And it is going to rain money into your account. So it's very important that you read this article, since I've been sharing 100% accurate and 100% free information for years on how to invest in this American company called Wayfair. Those that they have been following my free guidance, they made over, I repeat, over 2,000%, okay? This is the very minimum return on investment for those that have been following my free guidance throughout the years investing in this company. I turned bullish Wayfair. There is no way that Wayfair is going down, my friends. Buy the stock, buy whatever you want, buy the stock you are going, it is going to rain money into your account. And the reason is very simple. I never miss it, okay? I never miss it. If I never miss it, I'm not going to miss. This is mathematics, okay? So just for you to have a piece of information with regards to my track record, which is public, you have it for the past 30 years. I call it a crash in this company. So I said, you are going to see a market crash and this company is going to crash, okay? So I told you this, all right? And it crashed. So I'm going back to the article, all right? You have it here, in fact. And this stock, now it is a strong buy, okay? So this article that you have here, the explanation of it, why it is a strong buy, okay? Everyone, it is bearish, this company. 99.9% of people are bearish this company, including, obviously, Wall Street. And 99.99% of Americans, they are all bearish this company. All of them are short this company, okay? So this is the best or one of the best companies for you to buy. You are going, money is going to, it's going to be unbelievable, the money that you are going to receive directly in your account, okay? So you have here as a reference to buy, okay, shares of this company. It is absolutely guaranteed. Money, it is going to rain into your account. And by the way, if you need more free picks or information, you have on the blog of the company hundreds. All of them, they work. But this one, it is, if you need money for some reason to pay the college of your kids, you know, I don't know, if you need to buy a boat, if you need to go on holidays and free holidays, if you need new cars, if you need a new house, anything that you need, you will have it here. Invest in this company. My name, you have the track record, is absolutely guaranteed, okay? If you have questions, ask the Federal Reserve and they will tell you about my record. Ask the US government.